In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a single page from your presentation in Canva. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To do this, let me quickly go to the presentation I've designed. I will go over to my designs here and select the presentation I want to share a single page from. To share a single page from my presentation, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on share here, and I'm going to come down to here where it says download. I'll come over here where it says pages 1 to 77, and I'll click this drop down, and you will see here it says all pages, current pages. I'm going to select on current page so that it knows that it's only page 77 I want to share, and I will click on done. Once I have that, I'm going to download my design. This is our downloaded design. You can see that there's only one page that it has. You can now send this document to whosoever you want to send it to. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll have a good one.